Today, I will be talking about Tropical Cyclone Mora and when it hit Bangladesh on May 30th, 2017. A tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating system characterized by a low-pressure center, a closed, low-level atmospheric circulation, strong winds, and a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms that produce heavy rain. Depending on its location and strength, a tropical cyclone may be referred to as a hurricane, a typhoon, a tropical storm, or a tropical depression. Tropical Cyclone Mora made landfall in Bangladesh early Tuesday, May 30th, 2017, and was a Category 1 hurricane when it hit land. A Category 1 hurricane's wind speed is between 74 and 95 miles per hour, with minimum central pressure. The damage is usually to trees and vegetation, with no real building damage. That was not the case in Bangladesh. Bangladesh was not prepared for a cyclone or hurricane of this magnitude, and there was much more damage than just trees and vegetation, like what usually happens in Category 1 hurricanes. Some 20,000 homes were destroyed in the region. Many of these homes were flattened by strong winds. There were 3 casualties. 2 men and a woman died once the hurricane hit landfall. 2 of them died when the trees fell on their homes. Many people had to be evacuated in Bangladesh. About 300,000 people were moved to 1,000 shelters that had been set up for the 10 districts that were being evacuated because they were at risk during the cyclone. There were about 20,000 volunteers ready to help aid people in moving from at-risk areas. But they were not the only ones affected. The island St. Martin's also sustained significant damage, and about 80,000 residents were evacuated. Although the system had passed, there was still heavy rain that continued on throughout the next few days, which caused flooding and mudslides, which meant that there would be even more damage and even more evacuations.